Hey, what's going on today? Before proceeding with my Python tutorials, I want to show you how to use Eclipse to work with Python. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the Python PyDev website, which is pydev.org. That is, go to download. Now, if you look at the URLs right here at the bottom of the page, you want to get this URL, the one that says pydev.org updates. And what we're going to do is we're going to add it to our Eclipse installation. So open up Eclipse and go to Help, Install New Software. You want to click on Add, and this is where you will paste the URL and name it wherever you like. I've already done this, so I'm just gonna cancel it, but go ahead and click OK. So now click the down arrow, select the URL, and you will see two options. You want to get the first one, so go ahead and select it and click next. Go through the installation process. It's very simple. You just click next, accept the agreements, and click finish. I already did this, so I'm not gonna show you that part, but it's really simple. And if you got any questions, just leave a comment. So once you have installed PyDev, you can now start using it. And to do that, you just go to File, New, Project, and you see here that you will now have a new option which says PyDev, and you get three options underneath that. You get the Django project, Google App Engine project, or a regular Python project. The Django project, I don't know if you heard of the Django framework. It's a Python web development framework, but we're not gonna work with this today. The Google App Engine lets you upload Python scripts to a Google server. We're also not going to work with that today. We're just going to go with the regular Python project. So you will click next, and right here you're going to be given the option to name your project. I'm going to name it example. You have the option to work with Python, Jython, or IronPython. Python is a regular Python, Jython is Java and Python, IronPython is the .NET Microsoft framework with Python. So you want to select the Python. You will also be given the option to select which version of Python you're going to use. I'm going to use 3.0. Now you have to configure the interpreter, and what that means is basically you should already have Python installed in your computer. So click this blue link that you see here, go to New, name your interpreter, browse to find the executable. Mine is under the program files, Python 3.1.2, and that should be this icon right here. And as you can see, you get the .exe extension. So go ahead and click OK. OK, once again, apply, and we're just gonna wait a few minutes. So now we're ready to roll. Let's click OK. Under interpreter, select the interpreter you just applied, and click finish. It's gonna ask you if you want to open the Python perspective. That's just basically a better interface for Eclipse and Python. or I should say an interface dedicated to Python. So I'm going to click yes and remember my decision. So now you get this folder of your project and the source folder. I'm going to right click the source folder, go to new, file, and I'm going to call this file main.py. Finish, and we're ready to begin making a project. And to run it is very simple. Just click this green arrow, or I should say white arrow with a green background. It's gonna ask how you want to run it as, and you want to run it as a regular Python script. And as you can see, I get my output below. You can change it to anything you want. You just hit run again, and there you go. So that's how you use Python with Eclipse. If you got any questions, leave a comment and share this video. Thanks for watching.